This is a video to tell you how to use Onen Cqd electric reach truck. First, lift up the emergency button. Turn the power switch clockwise to turn on. On the left is the dashboard. Press the mode button to switch working modes. Press the power switch of the camera on the forks carriage. To turn on the camera, switch on the display screen. You can observe the condition of the goods on the forks through the display screen. You can switch the truck forward or backward through the lever on the control console. Turning the steering wheel to control truck steering. You can lift and lower the forks through the lever on the right. The middle lever can control the mast to reach forward or backward. The left lever is used to control the tilt of the fork. Turn on the driving lights for the lighting work by this button. Press the horn button to sound a warning. This button is used to control the turn signal of the truck. Finally, let us take a look at how to remove the battery together. Thank you for watching and choosing Onen forklifts.